What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This time it is CBD. CBD is a form of weed, but it doesn't really have that much THC in it. See, it says under -3, meaning this is legal in all 50 states. So, this is a new product from CBD Hemp Direct, popcorn nugs, AC Diesel. I got 10 grams for $30. So I'm about to take this out the package and show you what it looks like. Alright, now this is the AC Diesel. Their new product, the popcorn nugs. It smells really dank. I already smoked some, and it has a really earthy taste. It tastes really good. And it feels pretty just like weed. Don't know if you guys can, but yeah. I would get some. I mean, the link to purchase this will be in the description. So this isn't really actually 10 grams since I smoked some, but I do recommend getting this and ordering from this company. This is my first time ordering from them. I will provide the link in the description and in the comment section below if you would like to purchase. See you guys in the next video. Peace.